It's not a very big garage to do this work, I can tell you that much. So, here we are. Gonna use a stud gun. Harbor Freight. Oh, that didn't work. I should have cleaned it. Probably need to clean it. Try again. Alright, there's one. That was the first time I used it in like a year and a half, so I scared the shit out of me for a second. This probably isn't gonna stay, I bet. Yep. So this is what's wrong, is this fucking piece of shit. Here I go, trying to make a video on YouTube, and it wants to fight me the whole time. It would help if this bed was like secured. So this thing is just not biting onto the fucking thing right now. This fucking piece of shit. Awesome, isn't it? So what'd you get for buying shitty Harbor Freight tools? It's not brand new. Used it a little bit. That's probably why this isn't working very well. I finally ripped it off. Definitely would suck if I pulled this whole thing off of the bench. Hopefully this is all. Alright. It's awesome, it gets stuck. Unbelievable. It's probably cheap, the replacement tip for this. What the fuck, man? Wow, just when I thought how cool it would be to show this thing in action, now you get to see why it sucks. Well, so this is what bites into the studs, and trust me, I'm not like, I've only done my car, that Buick, earlier in the video, so I haven't used it that much. I'm not like a full-time shop or anything, but yeah, this doesn't bite in to it good enough anymore. See, it's like worn. It's already worn, so it won't bite onto the studs, so you can't pull them then. So I guess that's that for the video. Maybe I'll be able to show other parts of it that actually, you know, I'm actually making good progress, hopefully, with tools that work.